everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're doing another Valentine's themed resin project. I just got this brand new mold from Let's Resin on Amazon and I'm really excited about trying it. Let's put on our gloves and a respirator and let's get started. Here I'm mixing together 50 grams of resin. I don't think I'll need this much, but it's better to have a bit more than not enough. Separating the resin out into smaller cups, I'm making one red and the second one lighter with a bit of white and pink. Then we're going to pour the two shades into the mold. I'm going to alternate the colors a little so that we get a mix of the colors. Taking the rest of the resin, we're going to pour it into the frame part of the mold. And here it is after it has cured. Next, we're going to mix some resin with a bit of silver mica powder. And we're going to pour it over the entire backside of the mold. Using a stick, we're going to spread it out. Alright everyone, so our sign is done. I think this is going to look really good. So let's go ahead and take it out of the mold. Okay, so I'm just a little bit worried about the letters, but hopefully they come out. So far so good. Popping out very easily. Oh my goodness. Oh, this looks really good. Oh, and I didn't expect it to be translucent actually. I thought my colors was thick enough for it to be solid, but it's translucent, which is actually kind of fun. And our mold looks great, nice and clean, no tears, so we can easily reuse this again. Oh my goodness, this is really nice. So let's get it nice and flat. And now for the second half. Now we're going to add these little Scrabble letters. So this is a lot of fun. I'm going to stick it on here and then cover the end with resin. And these are stickers, and so we can reposition them if we need to afterwards. I think we might have to because they're a little bit crooked. And I think we should put this heart block here. One more over here. Wow, this is really cute. So I think at this point we need one more layer of resin. So let's go ahead and pour another thin layer of resin. Here I'm using a heat gun to pop the bubbles. In the empty spaces, we're going to add some gold flakes. I'm just breaking these up by hand and scattering them all over the empty spaces. Using a stick, we'll push it down into the resin so that it's not floating on the top. I think this is gonna look so pretty. Alright everyone, and we are done. So just take a look at this sign. I think it turned out really pretty and perfect for Valentines. And I just really love these little block letters or the little Scrabble letters. So it says love you over here, and then we have 2 additional hearts, and then in between we have these gold flakes. So these gold flakes are kind of just floating randomly in between the words. So we did do an extra step of adding the resin on top of the wooden letters. So that means everything here is smooth. So all the letters is flush with the rest of the sign. And I think this is extra. Next time that I do this, I might not add that extra layer of resin because I think the letters will be cooler if they are 3D. So for next time, I'll leave the top alone. And another thing I really liked is the background. So the background is a pearl white. So I didn't use a lot of pigment, so it turned out translucent, which is actually kind of nice. So you actually put it on the table like this, you can still see things behind it. So as far as what to do with this sign, you can put it on the easel and just leave it on your desk, or you can drill a hole in it, hang it up on a wall. So this would be really cute on a wall somewhere, maybe with a bunch of pictures. So let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my This Is Us sign. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!